Well, hello, Stamping friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stamping with Monica, and this is a quick impromptu live video to update you on a few things. Hello, Fanny. Make sure that you say hi when you're joining so that I know, and I appreciate everybody joining in. So the purpose of this video is to give you a little bit of an update on what's going on with me and what's coming up with classes coming this week and the following week. First of all, I need to tell you that pretty soon, for those of you that don't know, my house is a mess right now. We had a water leak, and so my studio downstairs and part of my house upstairs will be under renovation starting next week. So my classes, unfortunately, I will not be able to hold my classes in person. I do in person and to go, and so the classes that I'm gonna present to you will be all to go until further notice, because I don't know how long it will take. They have to redo. I have drywalls to do, flooring, bathrooms. I mean, it is a mess. It is a mess, and so I don't want anybody. I would love to have everybody come to the class in person, but I'm thinking about safety. So after that, I'm going to tell you what classes I have. So today is the last day to qualify, to place your order to qualify for the Fluffy Squirrel card class. We have 1, 2, 3 fun folds. So this one is one there. And videos, I did videos all last week. I usually do that. This is my class to go. This is the other fun fold. This is the magic fold that you take and you flip like that from this to this there. Then an easy peasy card. And then we had this cutie patootie box. I just put nuts in there, candies in there, but you can use it for whatever idea you have. It could be used for, to give away to somebody that has a birthday. Put something in there. You can use it on your table to decorate that. So the class is going to be free with a minimum $50 order. What you will receive from me are all the bits and pieces to recreate each card. I will not provide anything that is pre-stamped by Stampin' Up! Rules, but I will provide the cardstock, designer series paper, anything that needs to be embossed. I will do that. I will put the ribbon, but not the embellishments. You can get the embellishment added to your packet with an order that is over $60, and that includes shipping to you. And also a fully detailed PDF tutorial with pictures and detailed instructions that will be emailed out when you purchase your class. So the deadline is tonight to place your order. And I will put also the link in the description of this video. What's coming up? Also, I have this beautiful class, Christmas card class. This is a Stamp-A-Stack of, these are the samples, Stamp-A-Stack of 10. So 5 designs, 2 of each. You will receive the designer series paper, embellishments, and ribbon to recreate. I will do all the embossing that is included. I will not do any of the stamping. You will need to have both bundles in this case, mostly because you need to stamp. I will do the die cuts of the dies that are not included in the bundle, or maybe even include extra die cutting for you. But as you can see, I mostly use the beautiful designer series paper. The only true card that uses the images and stamping is this one. Everything else can be substituted with pieces from the designer series paper. This one, just a stamp, you can just but I love this. So the deadline to register and get your kit to go is on the 8th, and you will receive, as I said, half a pack of designer series paper, full bolt of the ribbon and embellishments, and all the supplies to recreate 10, plus a little gift from me to thank you. If you wanted to come and pick it up, cost is $45. Otherwise, if it needs to be stamped, it would mailed, it would be $54. By the way, shipping cost, our mailing cost went up in October during the holiday season, so we have to be mindful of that. But this is a beautiful, I had a wonderful time. I had the class in person, and I just wanted to offer it again to go, only to go, because as I said, I cannot have classes here for safety reasons because my house will be in crazy. Now, what's coming on this week for our online class to go? I'm just gonna do this. It's gonna be the long time no see. Look at this. These will be Fun Fold long time no see class. And this will be another one that you can get the kit with designer series paper. It will be the stamp set. It will be included, if I can find it. I will include in the cost, I will include the stamp set. If you already have the stamp set, you can substitute it with whatever value of the stamp set. You just need to let me know at the time of registration, but you'll get the stamp. You just need to provide your ink and blocks, because I will do all the prepping for the cards. Some are Fun Folds, and you will have a list also of the stamping blends, because you'll have a fully detailed PDF tutorial on top of being able to watch the videos next week. So this is my class to go. 4 cards, 1 little box. I will put something in there to give you the idea of how big. And this is product based. So I will email out about the price. I'll tell you about the price. What else is coming up? This is a flash stamp camp, kind of. I decided to see if anybody was interested in a stamp camp of Halloween. And so I have, for now, I have these projects. You might have seen this card because I already done it on a live. But in my, look at this. This is a Cutie Patootie Fun Fold. This is another Fun Fold. But in my stamp camp, you get to make 4 cards. You get to make 3 treat holders and 1 home decor. You will receive a full half a pack of the Spooky Sweet designer series paper, bolt of ribbon, and the embellishments. Also, you'll have the opportunity to add the Spooky Halloween bundle, add it to the class at a savings. And so I will send out the email with all the details for this class. And this will have a very quick turnaround because I need to place the order and cut everything and set it out so you guys can work on these projects and send them out for Halloween. But I'm telling you, you want this class. I love Halloween just because of the colors, not the meanings in per se, but I love the fun, the kids that come and get the their treats, but also the little creature and the colors. I love colors of Halloween. So I have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4 classes for you to choose from. Maybe you want 1, 2, or 3, or 4, but I just want to remind you that tonight, this is the deadline. If you want this class, 4 projects, 4 cards, and 1 3D, your order will have to be of $50 or more before shipping and tax. And if you want also the embellishment, it will have to be over $60. And I will mail everything to you. This will be sent out separately from your own order that you will place online, obviously. Okay, that is all. And also what do I need to remind you of is the beautiful, wonderful opportunity to be part of the Stampin' Up! Family, or the Happy Basement Stampers, how we call our team. And we have a great time together, friendship, fun. And I mean, during the month of October, you pay $35 and get up to $125 of product of your choice. That's the beauty. Or if you want more, it's $99 plus tax here in Virginia. 35 plus tax here in Virginia. And you can choose with the 99 up to $189 in product. Let's say this is the option for you if you want to buy the big die cutting machine, if you want to buy the big items, and so the $189 would be your choice. Or if you want to get the new advent calendar that is out, you can choose the $35, pay only $35 and select that plus more, because you can add up to $125 in your starter kit. There is no commitment. It's just an opportunity to support your crafty needs, hobby, whatever you want to call it, at a discount, because we all are happy discount shoppers. We love to save money. Why pay full price when you can save at least 20%, right? So if you're interested in, obviously, if you have your own demonstrator that you're working with, please, by no means, go and contact them, because that's the best way to be a loyal customer slash team member. But if you don't have anybody, I'll be happy to add you to the team. And also, if you were a previous Happy Discount shopper or demonstrator, you're not active anymore, this offer is good for you as well. And the beauty of it is that you can do whatever you want. I always say, you do you. Stay for the product, stay for the discount, stay for the friendships, the opportunity to participate in on exclusive events by Stampin' Up!, the opportunity to see products before they are released to the general public. So there are many, many benefits, and I don't see why. When I signed up, I paid $200 for my kit, and it was a truly kit. I couldn't choose anything. It was already preset. This one, you can add whatever you want. And anything that is available to demonstrators or Happy Discount Shopper active, you can add it to your kit. Okay, so that is it. It ends on the end of October. Think about it. If you have questions, feel free to let me know, to ask me. And if you want to be informed by everything that I do, class to go, retreats, and all that kind of stuff, or special orderings that I do, you want to be on my email list. And so I will put all the links at the top or the bottom of this video. I don't know when I'm going to be done. And I hope this was informative enough and remind you about my classes. So I'll see you throughout this week for my Long Time No See class. And I hope you enjoy the projects, and you would like to get the class. Okay, so that is all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.